Hello everyone, let's see how to split the screen or split view on your Mac so that you will be able to work side by side. Open any app first, and to make a split view, go to the window and tile window to the left of screen or tile window to the right of screen. You can click any one of those and there you will see it will show that another app will appear on the another other side of your screen. So this is how you can make a split screen. So if you see in the middle, you can change how much space you would like to give for that particular app. So the one advantage of splitting screen would be you can copy one file to drag and drop to another, so it will be advantageous for you. And let's try to split the screen in another way. So let's go to another desktop and there you'll see an app. You can also use the same split view by clicking on maximize minimize screen. And if you see below, there you'll see tile window to the left of screen or tile window to the right of your screen. So you can click one of them and it will allow you to add another app on the other side of your screen. And since Mac is all about drag and drop, you can even, let's say, from one side of Chrome, you can drag and drop image or anything. So this is how it will be advantageous for you to work on a multiple screen. So if we go to our another app, so you can see that multiple apps has been splitted and they are working in a pair. You can even change the app that appears in a pair. So for that you can just click on your full screen icon and you can replace the tile window. So if you have got any other app, so we have got this note app, so let's replace the older one by this one, and then let's try to copy something from one screen to another. So this is how it will be helpful for you to work better by splitting screen on your Mac. Well done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us.